Hey there! In this quick demo, I'll show you how to import products, including their images, from your WooCommerce store directly into Odoo using the Ksolves WooCommerce Connector module. First, let's take a look at the products in our WooCommerce store. From your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce, click on Products, then select All Products. Here's the list of products we'll be syncing to Odoo. Now, let's head over to Odoo. From the Home menu, open the WooCommerce Connector. As you can see, this Odoo instance doesn't currently have any products or variants. Let's change that. With our connector, you can import products in 3 ways: by specific product ID, by date range, and all products at once. Let's go through each method step by step. First, we'll import a product by its ID. Back in WooCommerce, locate the product ID of the item you want to import. Copy it, then head to Odoo. Select your instance, set the operation flow to WooCommerce to Odoo, choose Import Operation, then Import Product. Set Import Type Action to Create. Choose Import With, then Specific ID. Paste the ID and click Execute. Now go to Processes, then Queue Jobs. You'll see a new job created and processed. Once done, go back to the instance and open the synced product. Click on the Odoo product template, and there it is, complete with images, synced from WooCommerce. Next, let's try importing by date range. Go to your instance. Set operation flow to WooCommerce to Odoo, choose Import Operation, then Import Product. Set Import Type Action to Create. Choose Import With, then Date Filter. Pick your start date and end date. Then hit Execute. Go to Queue Jobs again to monitor the progress. When done, head to the instance. You'll find all products created within your selected date range, including their images synced successfully. Finally, let's import all products in bulk. Go to the instance. Select WooCommerce to Odoo. Choose Import Operation, then Import Product. Set Import Type Action to Create. Then choose Import With, then Import All. Hit Execute. Once the job is complete, check your instance. All your WooCommerce products with their images are now available in Odoo. And that's it. With the Ksolves WooCommerce Connector, importing your products to Odoo is fast, flexible, and hassle-free. Import by ID, filter by date, and bulk import, all with just a few clicks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful demos and tutorials. Thanks for watching.